Hello, today you're looking at a rapid 500 amp 9 volt air-cooled rectifier brought to you by Lanco. Unit is wired for 440 volt 3-phase. Very good working condition, has been tested, checked out here at Lanco. Take a look at the inside here. Overall dimensions, 25 inches long by 28 inches wide by 43 inches high. It is a remote controlled unit. The remote box is on top. That's the one that will be used for right now. We just have our shop remote so we can test it. And we'll turn it on here and bring up the amps and volts for you. And as those climb up, come back over here, take a look at the O-scope wave. Very nice, quiet machine. If you're interested, please contact Lanco at 888-248-8500 or visit us online at www.lanco-corp.com. Have a great day.